Hey, we're back with Chains by the Cookies. And this one has a different feel. It has a swing feel, and it's kind of like 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. You can play it on the snare drum like this. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Now you can also have the kick drum, so it sounds like 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 1, a 2, a 3, a This song has a triplet feel, a swing feel, so when you try to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for the drum rolls, they won't really work so well. So you'll have to do a triplet feel, which is kind of like, instead of doing 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, then you'll do kind of like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. They are called triplets. They're 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. I'm just alternating my sticking. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. I like to break it up and put the first note of the triplet of the 3 notes on the rack tom. So these are quarter notes that are broken up into 3 pieces, like this. And the drum feel of this rhythm is really just like 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, So 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, All right.